And here we are at the field. Rufo has rolled in something. No, Rufo, get away from me. Good girl, Estrella. Good girl. She's so fast, eh? Zing! Go get all over Rufo. He's covered in crap. No, don't get on me, Rufo. You weirdo. Yes. Yeah, roll in the grass. That's fine. Whatever crap you were rolling in. Look at him. He's covered in crap. Oh. Weird dogs. Yeah, weird dogs. Puppies. Yeah, we got some sunshine this morning. Super awesome. Good time to get some exercise. Look at how fast this girl goes. Isn't she amazing? Good girl, Pumpkin. Good girl. Love it. That's us. Good morning. Woo! Buen dia, pardon me. Grand rising. Yeah, Rufo, roll in the grass. Get over the crap you rolled in off of you. Weird boy dogs.